Hello everyone and welcome to the Weather Center. We have here this cold front which is going to maintain cloudy, rainy and drizzly weather over parts of the Western Cape as well as the western areas of the Eastern Cape. Further east, rain and thunder showers are forecast for parts of the Free State, KwaZulu-Natal and the eastern areas of the Eastern Cape. It's going to be sunny and hot for northeastern South Africa. We could see a bit of cloud creeping into parts of the Northern Cape. Now we have a warning in place for high fire danger in all those areas highlighted by the shade of red. There is a good chance of runaway fire, and that includes the Gauteng province. Now we're expecting between a 20 and 40% chance of light rain and drizzle for parts of the west coast as well as the south coast, and up to a 40% chance of rain and thunder showers is forecast for parts of the Free State, KwaZulu-Natal and the eastern areas of the Eastern Cape. Here's a look at top temperatures for your Friday afternoon. It's going to be sizzling hot in some areas. Look at Palabora shooting to 39, 37 for the high in Bombela, cooler for Pretoria, peaking at 33. The same for Mahikeng. A high of 31 is forecast for Johannesburg. Welkom is going to hit the 30-degree mark, but it's going to be much cooler for Bloemfontein, even cooler as we go towards the southern parts of the Eastern Cape. Highs in the upper teens for Grahamstown and Bishop. Hot temperatures for the interior of KwaZulu-Natal. Pietermaritzburg will peak at around 22 degrees. Fresh southwesterlies are forecasted this Friday along the KwaZulu-Natal coastal areas, but the winds get stronger as we go towards East London and Port Elizabeth, where highs in the upper teens are expected. We are also going to see temperatures reaching the upper teens for much of the southern interior, fairly comfortable for Vredendal, peaking at 20 degrees. Along the south coast and the southwest coastline, temperatures are going to make it into the mid and upper teens. It's also going to be pretty breezy over these coastal areas, winds gusting up to 45 kilometers per hour around Jeffreys Bay. And the swell heights of the south coast will average around 3 meters, and the swell will continue to come from a southwesterly direction. It's going to be chilly this afternoon around Sutherland. The rest of the Northern Cape should be cool to mild with a high of 24 forecast for Kimberley. Light winds are forecast around Cape Town and Langaban, where temperatures are going to peak at around 16 degrees. A 2.5 meter swell is forecast off the west coast. It's going to be partly cloudy and dry on Saturday for much of the interior, but a cloudy and pretty wet day is forecast along much of the east coast.